Yeah, sorry guys, there was some issue with my recording session. Okay, so just we have created one file, right? I think it is not covered over there. Just let us remove it. See, this is the command to remove a file or directory. See, if we use rf, it will remove that file or folder with forcefully. Okay, with simple rm you can't remove a directory. So that it is rm-rf which will remove the file or directory forcefully. Okay, just to test, just give ll. So nothing is there. So let us create one more test.txt using vi editor. So to insert some data, see now you can see something like text, like file name and new file at the down of this putty session. So if you click on I change to insert. So means you are now allowed to insert any data into this file. So I'm just giving first line, second line, third line. So this is the data I've given. Just give escape or control C colon wq. I told you wq is nothing but save and quit. Okay, so now if you see ll, you could see test.txt file. So now I've just given you file. You want to see this file, you want to see the data which is included in this file without opening the file. Means you need to see the data what is inside the file, but you should not open it. Means you should not use vi editor. So for that you have cat command, cat and the file name, enter. See, you could see first line, second line and third line, first line, second line and third line. Let's say now open this test file again, you insert, come to last line, okay. Now just enter fourth line, give control C colon, instead of wq now just give q, enter. Now just cat test dot, you could see only first line, second line, third line, because here we have given only q is nothing but quit without saving. It's coming out of that editor. If you give wq, it will save the data whatever you entered, and it will save that and it will give you the output. See, just do it again, text.4. to go to the last line, give shift G, it will move to direct last line. Okay, so give insert, add now fourth line, give control C or escape colon wq. So now I am giving wq. Now just give cat for this. See, now you could see fourth line. So this is the way we use vi editor and cat. I got it right. So vi is to open the file, to create a file and to write the data. Cat is a command which is used to see the data which is included in the file without opening that file. Hope you understand the difference between all these. Okay, now let me give you one more command, grep first text.txt. See, you could see output is only first line. What it is mean, grep is nothing but it is about filtering or getting a keyword. It is about getting a keyword. See, now I've just grep. See, now you have given this test.txt file for me, so I need the data which is having word called third. So what I have to do, I have to grep it. Grep, what the word? Third. What is the word? Third. And text.txt. Now you could see third line. See, now what is the common in 4 files? Line is the word which is very common in all the files. Line dot text.txt. See, but you could see only first and third line. See, actually, let me clear it. Clear cat text.data. See, in all this we are having a keyword called line. Okay, but when I grep it with the keyword line, it is showing me only first line, third line. C means this one and this one. If you observe, in these two, L is capital. In second and fourth, L is small. Let us search with small l. Let us search with small l. See, now it is showing you second and fourth line. It is showing you second and fourth line. Okay, but we want it, case sensitive. We want it as case sensitive. Give grep -i. See, now when you give grep -i and the word you are given is line. See, you are given capital L, but the output is showing, sorry, you are given small l, but in output you could see capital L also. Correct? You could see, now you just give capital L. You just give capital L. Still you will get 4 files, 4 lines. Means whenever you want to go with case, irrespective of case. So ignoring the case, you can say simply it is ignoring the case. Okay, so if you want to ignore the case, you have to enter -i here. -i. So that means ignoring the case. So this is one command for grep. Okay, so now you are aware of how to create a directory, how to create a file, how to see the data in file, how to append the how to insert the data into the file. So that and all you seen, and you have seen grepping a keyword in a file that you have seen. Okay, now let us move to copy, renaming, remove that stuff. See, just let me move to ll, just move to cd test2 ll. So there is nothing, awd. See, you are in this directory root test, so there are no files. So now I am just creating files. See, touch is the command to create a file without any data. See, now when we have given vi, an editor has opened, so we have given data and we have closed it. See, let's say what it comes with test. Let's say I am giving test a. So test.a.txt, let's say. So what it should do in general to open a file, when we have done with vi, we supposed to get a window. There we have to enter the data whatever we wanted to. So later we have to save it, we have to see the data. But see, nothing is opened. But when you give ll or ls, you could see the a.txt. See, just cat it, nothing is there. See, touch is a command. Touch is a command we'll use to create an empty file. Touch is a command we'll use to create an empty file. See, let's say now I'm just giving an example. I don't really want any data into the files. Simply I can give touch. Okay, so you can create multiple files at a time. b.txt, c.txt, d.txt. Just give ll. You could see all these files, but there is no data in any of these files. Okay, so now we have created the file. So you are in root.test. So just let us move to one more directory, root test. See, you could see here test.txt. Just let us remove it. So here we don't have anything. So clear. So now let's say this is in test. I'm just opening one more duplicate session. Duplicate session. Just CentOS. Sorry. Restart. ec2-user sudo su-. So now into this is same terminal. See, you could see IP 172.31.47 and 180. You could see both are same instances. Only thing is I've just opened one more terminal. See, however in Windows we'll open multiple. See, now this is there. Okay, see, now you can open this file in new window. See, a new window has been created. Correct. In the same way, I've just opened one more thing. So I will just move to cd root test2. So here I am at test2. Here I am at test. So I don't have any files here, whereas I have some files here. Okay, so just to copy this, what is the command? So cp is nothing but copy a.txt b.txt. Where you want to copy it? You want to copy here. You want to copy here, root.txt. So the destination. Just give enter. Just give ll under test. You could see a.b.txt. Correct. See, now what you want to is, you want to copy the c.txt here, but you should not go there. What we have done in earlier case, we went through the destination wherever we have the files. So from there we have copied the file to test. But now what is my requirement? I have to copy a file which is located under test2, but I should not go there. I should copy that from here only. Okay, only thing is you should aware of that the file is existing over there. That's you have to be confirmed, that you have to be sure. So just give that copy /root, okay, test.2, what is that, c.txt, and just give dot is nothing but current directory. So you are asking copy a file which is under root and test2. Where you have to copy? Dot means test. Enter. Just give a c.txt. In earlier case you could see what we have done, copy files which are under this location to this. So here copy files which are under this location to this. Concept is same, only thing is there you are doing from source, here you are doing from destination. Okay, so that's the copy. Now okay, now just let me move to root test2 ll. Okay, so now I have d.txt. let's say let me enter some data into d.txt. Insert a b c d. We have some data under it. Saved it. Just to cat d.txt. Okay, you could see a b c d. Oh, I given g. Okay, fine. So now I just want to have a same copy of this here only. Just give cp d.txt as e.txt. Now just cat it. You have exact data. But what do you want is, you want to now just remove this rm-rf e.txt. Just remove this. So now what do you want? You want to have the same data with different name. You don't want to be t.txt, means you have to rename it. For that you just give mv d.txt as e.txt ll. See, now there is no d.txt. In earlier case what we have done copying. Copying is nothing but just control C, control V. It is like cut. So we are completely renaming that. Okay, so the data will be there, the file name will be different. Okay, this is about copying and renaming. And if you want to, let's say if you want to compare two files, let's say what I want to do is I'm just opening c.txt. Here also I'm just giving a b c. So I'm just giving till c only. Just save it. So now you have the data in C file and D file. You don't have any data in A and B. Correct? You don't have any data in A and B. So you want to now you need to compare the data from E and C. So for that, diff c.txt space e.txt c. Only difference is you have G in next file. Only difference is you have G in next file. Got it? Okay, so this is about difference. See, now you got 4d3z. Now you see the difference, right? Here you got output as 3a4, here you got as 4d3. Means it is telling you line, that's it. Okay, so you can see symbol also. So this is you are having extra in second file. So this is means you are not having in. So this is you are having in first file. The difference is here I have given c.txt, here e.txt. Here I have given e.txt, c.txt. So you could see the difference here. Here it is showing greater than, here it is showing less than mark. Okay. Okay. So now you want to see the commands whatever you executed till now, just give history. I mean, this is first terminal, sorry, second terminal, right? So you have executed only these two. So now let us go to first history. So you could see all this. These are the things you have executed as of now. Correct? Yeah, guys. And one more thing I want to show you, find command. See, now you want find a.txt. That is located somewhere. You have to get it. So just give find path. Path you just give as, it is under root. Okay, but you are not sure after the root what the directory it is, and you just give file name. Oh, is it? What I have done? Sorry, find path hyphen name. You should give name here. See, you could see a.txt in these two locations. So that's it, guys. This is the basic Linux stuff. I'll try to upload one more video which is going to have the details of how to create user, how to create group, how to assign that user to the group, and how to give the permissions to the files. That stuff we'll see, and how to give the ownership, that we'll see. That is going to be a short video. Let's see it in next session. Hope you guys understand it. If you have any doubts, please don't hesitate to comment here. Just comment here. I'll just try to get through all of your questions. So that ultimate thing is it should help you. That's it. You're spending some half an hour time or 40 or 45 minutes of time. It should not go in vain. It should help you somewhere. It should help you somehow. That's what my intention is. Okay, guys. Let's wind up here. Thank you all.